go. Jump!
Ito na pala. Good morning! Welcome back to another video kung saan iikot na naman tayo ng South. South is our current favorite destination because of its winding roads, murang expressway, and good food. So we're going to meet up with some old friends, new friends actually, na naging old from the last time na umuwi ako ng Philippines. Oh, by the way, I work in Boracay, so I just sometimes go home to Manila to enjoy this piece of machinery. Holy shit! I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry, I'm just excited. I just love the winding of CB 650R to 12,000 fucking RPMs! Ikot kami. We're gonna go to Caybang Tunnel, Batangas, and ultimately go to Tapimoto, Tagaytay. Then after that, depending kung saan ang biyahe, kung mag-SLX ka or whatnot, I'm gonna bring you all to this wonderful experience that we're gonna be in, that I'm gonna be in. Okay? So first off, ito of course, the expressway, and didiretso tayo ng Cavitex. So sit back, watch, relax. Ano pa? Naubusan na ako ng adjectives. Listen to this 12,000 RPM. Alright, welcome back sa isa na naman pong video. Charot. Alam mo talaga vloggers eh, no? Holy shit. Holy shit. Dapat kaliwa, pero pwede tayong dumiretso naman.
Diretso na lang?
Oo, diretso na lang. Ako na mag-lead ah. Ako na mag-lead. Alright. We're very near the entrance of Caybang Tunnel already. And tinan yung mga tropa natin sa behind the back pa. Ang dami nila. And they're like 6'7 NK. 6'7! It looks like they're 6 or 7. Yes! So, CB650R Hindi na po renta ito. Ito na po atin. No clutch, no e-clutch ang na-purchase natin dahil gusto natin ay regular operations pa rin kahit na traffic. Although I understand na kaya ka nga bumili ng e-clutch para pumadali ang buhay mo. Oh my God! Tangina, downhill tapos liko. Oh my God, wala din natin kaya yan. We're too weak for that shit. Actually, nasa likod ko lang sila eh. Bomba daw eh. Halimaw, no? Shit! Di ko kaya ganyang liguan. Sabay lang tayo sa Ang naka-center shadow eh, naka-balandra sa overtaking eh.
Nabigla din sila eh.
Ha?
Nabigla din sila.
Bakit?
Pag nagkukulangon to. Ha? Nagkukulangon. Paano nagkukulangon? Ito. Nag-aaral na dahil sa...
Deserve niya yan, boss. Deserve niya yan. Deserve niya.
Deserve. Muna konti.
Halimaw. Halimaw.
Oo. Wala. Natrauma kasi ako. Kakasemblang ko lang.
Masisembla mo lang? Malas mo naman. Saka sumemplang.
Sa amin lang din. Very good to be back. After what? Tuloy namin birthday pa ni Keja September. Gagawin mamaya.
Nakakakuha ng idea.
So, the last ride was September. Ano ngayon? September, October, November, December, January, February. That's 5 months na since the last ride. And baboy-boy na tayo.
Paglabas mo, may ticket ka dyan. Inampon lang ako muna ng mga official NK group of the Philippines, 450 NK today. Dahil wala akong ibang ka-ride, sila muna ang mga nakasama ko. Pero ang kalala ko talaga dyan ito, naka-helmet, nakaputi, si Julius Caesar. So shoutout pala sa Alpine Star. Shoutout to Alpine Stars Thailand for hooking me up with this awesome glove with an awesome price. Ang ingay. You can never get tired of this motherfucking view. This view. Yan. You got your trees, your mountains, your ocean, all in one, pare. All in one. bana 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 bam, and I need you, bana 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 bam, and I miss you. Takot ako talaga. Ako nga pababang ligo-ligo na kailan. Nakakabahan ako dyan eh. Tapos na po ang Batangas. Highlight lang natin 675 SRR. Carbon, 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 carbon. Hali mo yung mukha, oh. Ina, anytime kakainin ka. Tsaka sobrang lalim ng handlebar niya, boy. Sobrang lalim. Aron mga nang dito lang eh. Sa kanya nandito. Sobrang lalim. Although di pa tayo nakatry, pero similar daw ang bato niya sa Trident 660. Kasi di ganun kalaki ang RPM na ito. Stabilizer, stock. Same lang ng caliper yan sa 800 MT eh. Oh, tas malakas pa promeno ang 800 MT, laki-laki nun, di ba? So, pag in-apply mo dito sa lightweight na motor, eh paldo-paldo ka nun. So, dito kami sa Lian, Batangas, Petron. Tapos lang mag-breakfast sa McDonald's. Babakbak ulit kami ng dalawat kalahati. Oh, gawin nating dalawa. Pabomba siya, oh. Tip guys, no, pag magpapagas kayo, huwag niyong sagarin ng sobra. Ayan, oh. Hindi naman delikado yan, pero nasasayang yung gasolina, nag-overflow. As you know, ang gasolina ay nag-expand pag nag-initan. And ang tangke natin, pagkagaling siya sa ride, ay mainit yan. So mag-expand talaga yung ano mo, yung gasolina mo. Madalawat kalahati. Hindi ko ba nagalaw? Pag minaswas mga isa't kalahati. Sa inyo ba? Alright, time check, 10:50 AM. Mabilis lang nakuha yung loop na to. Ang bilis lang. Parang 3 hours lang nakuha. Tapos partida ko mga 4 hours. Kasi 7, almost 7 kineme lang kami nagkita-kita eh. So we have 49 minutes left going to Papemoto. That's the last stop of the loop. And nakalagpas na kami ng Batangas. Ngayon we're going up to Boracay. Going up to Boracay. No, we're going up to Tagaytay now. Doon ang final destination of the mini loop with NK official. This is still a nice road with nice view. Later on you'll see, since we're gaining altitude, careful lang sa pagpiga. It may seem like you're doing okay, pero uphills na biglang may konting downhill is very dangerous kasi hindi mo nakikita yung road ahead of you. Some few curves here and there. Yon, smooth na smooth. So, si CB is nothing like any other bike I own. Lahat ng bikes ko na 4-cylinder, starting from Z9, Hayabusa, and R1 na crossplane. This one is very different kasi siya lang yung below 900cc. Siya lang yung 650cc basically. Imagine kalahati lang to ng makina ng Hayabusa, di ba? And Hayabusa RPM red lines at 11,000. So the feeling is very different. Si Hayabusa and R1 and si Z9 may power siya 2,000-3,000 RPM. Kahit actually 2-3 lahat ng RPM niya may power. Eto, you have to ring it out para lumabas talaga yung power niya. Not that it means that it's bad. It just means pwede kang pumiga ng matindi without breaking the speed limit. Alright. Does it sound familiar? Yes. Yan po ang formula ng ZX6R and ZX4RR. Small displacement na 4-cylinder, no? And they ring out their power up top ng RPM. Usually starts around 9, 10, 11, pero this one comes a little bit early. It's about 6k RPM bago lumabas yung power niya. I didn't have the chance to fully explain it kasi enjoy talaga yung ride eh. Iba yung saya ng ride na dala to eh, kasi 5 months akong huling nag-ride and nagbabawi tayo ng ride. So syempre na-enjoy muna natin siya bago ang lahat, no? Yung R1 din, similar sila ng flickability. Hayabusa, no. That one's another monster. I have these points of reference lang kasi because wala talaga akong experience sa middleweight. Oh, I won't consider Z9 as a middleweight kasi it's 900 freaking cc. Hindi, middleweight pa ba yun? Di ba mga middleweight 600 hanggang 800, mga ganun. Yeah, so yan, Fantasy World, the abandoned place na nung namatay yung owner hindi na alagaan. And as you can see from far right, ano yun yung Mayon, Mayon, putang ina, Mayon. Taal. And sa ulo, di ka ata natulog eh. Wala tulog. First time nating akit ng Tagaytay flyover. And it looks like ano, yung tulay dun sa may, wow, tangina, kitang-kita yung view dito. Oh, my goodness. Oh, ang ganda. Kitang-kita mo yung ano, yung Taal sa area na to. Tip na hindi eto. Marilaki na kaya? Marilaki na. Bachi na? Thank you ah, thank you. Salamat sa pagsama. So we got a very special bike here from a nice gentleman, a ZX12R. Rebuild everything from the engine, because this was flooded previously by the previous owner, and very nice analog dash. And oof, feels like I'm living in 2005 again. Absolute humongous of an exhaust. This is very nice. Olin suspension up front. Wow. Very nice. Alright, paubos na ang battery natin. And mag-goodbye na tayo sa mga NK Tropa Pips natin here. Sana mabigyan pa tayo ng chance na makasama sila. They're good people na masaya kasama. They included me sa ride nila, sa community nila, even though I owned a different bike. But then again, we are sharing the same hobby, which is motorcycle. As long as it's 2 wheels, it has an engine in it. GM. Okay? So we're just waiting for someone. Si President nila, he's a good guy. Although I don't know him very much yet, but hopefully we could have a lot of more times together na makapag-ride. Bye guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Di umabot. The loop ends here essentially, but I need to go home para maging loop talaga siya. Loop is very fun, okay? Ito yung parang loop na marami kang mapupuntahan, madami kang ma-experience. You have straight roads, you have a kurbada, a little bit of traffic, a little bit of expressway. So it's very balanced talaga. Ito yung favorite route ko. Dati Marilaki talaga. Alright, so I'll be ending the video here. Thank you so much for watching the entire video. I'm very happy that I got a chance to do this. Not just for myself, but to share to everyone likes motorcycles. I am very sorry if the video is very long. Pero yan, masaya tong hobby natin. To Michael, Legend Rides, he's the one that owned the ZX12R. If you are watching this, shout out to you, good man, very kind gentleman. Hope to ride with you soon here in South, sometime in the future. And for everyone who is with me, the NK Group Philippines, thank you so much. I'm very happy that we got a chance to ride. Next time ulit, pag-uwi ko ng Manila. Okay? So yun lang po, no? Maraming salamat sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam. Tangina, muntik na ako magpaalam talaga. Bye guys.